Okay, in this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to explore how to use Canva. Okay, Canva is a very powerful tool to design graphics work. Okay, so when you log into this website canva.com, right, there will be many options here for you to start the projects. Okay, first you can use the search bar to type something that relates to your project. Just for instance, okay, if you want to create like a poster for graphic designs, right, then you might type something like graphic designs, okay, and it will search the template that match with your topic. Okay, next, okay, in case that you work on education, okay, this is just some example. Let's type in the word education here, and as you can see here, okay, there's many templates here, which of course you can use and edit it to be your work. Okay, next is this. Okay, let's go back to home. Okay, another way to start creating your project is use this icon here below the search bar here. If you're going to use like a presentation, okay, you might want to like go and present work, and you might want a PowerPoint, something like that. Okay, you can select these options. Okay, if you want to create something that relates to social medias, whether it's like advertising or something, select it here. If you want to edit a video or something, okay, you might select this one. Okay, and okay, you have to make a decision whether your work will be print products or just something that will show on screen. Okay, if it's like a print product, I would suggest you to use less color, okay, than the media that show on the display screen, because okay, when you print it out, it's going to use a lot of printing color. Okay, be careful about that. Okay, another thing is marketing. Okay, this is just marvelous tool to do some ads or marketing, advertising. Okay, and if you want more, you can hit on more, and they have like thousands of options for you to select here, whether it's like comic stripe, proposal, CVs, worksheet, whatever, right? So let's start with presentation. How about that? Okay, if it is, and also, okay, on the left side you can also create a template. Okay, project is and there's a theme here. Okay, you can also start to select the topic that relates to you here. Okay, let's go back to home here, and yeah, project is where you keep all your previous projects here. All right, okay, let's go back to home. Okay, let's create like a presentation. Usually, okay, if it is a presentation, I would recommend you to use this setting. Okay, this one, 16 by 9 here. Okay, it will match perfectly on full HD screen. And then next, okay, on the left side here, you can see the template and layouts that you might want to. If you want to create everything from the scratch here, you might also just select the layout and select your fonts and others, okay, that you like, and just start from here as well. Okay, but if you want to use existing template, there's thousands of templates here. You can also select the one that relate to you. For instance, okay, if I'm going to select like motion graphics here, you can type it in, okay, whatever topic you like. Okay, just search the template you like here on the left bar. Okay, for me, I'm kind of like, I like this one. Okay, I'm going to select this one. So if you just apply it to one page, just click add here. If you add just one page of the template here on your working space here on the right side, but if you want all of the template here on the left side, then hit apply all 10 pages here. And as you can see here, all the templates will show on the right side. Now you can work on the details. Okay, change all the detail to match with the the thing that you want to present. In this case, I'm going to like put the word presentate. I will change topic to motion graphic and put my name here. Right. right? This is just typical graphics, right? If you don't like it, you can hit delete and that's it, or just you know, select it and hit the trash can icon, right? You can change the positions of the text as well, okay? You can delete some of the graphic you don't like this, right? You can also increase the text size by just go here, okay, and put some number, okay, of the text that you prefer, or just select the option here, hit enter, okay. As you can see here, it becomes bigger. You can also, you know, drag and make it, you know, drag it and make it bigger as you like here, and or stretch it out like this to change the template, okay. So there's many options that you can do with you know, your slides here. All right, I prefer it to be smaller actually. All right, okay, if you don't like the color of the text, what you can do is just select the text box, okay, and then select the text color here, and then just change the color, okay. You can change the color according to the document color, or just select the, your own color that you prefer, okay, whatever it is. In this case, I'm going to use just perfect white. If you don't like the background color, again, okay, you can just select the background, okay, and then just select the you know, the color here, background color, and change the color as the same, okay. If you want you know, if you want to select your own color, then just hit add a new color here. I'm going to change it to green like this, which is very cool. Next thing is, if you want to like put your picture here, I mean, of course, if you look on the left side here, you can see photo icon here. You can also select stock pictures image here, okay, as well. But of course, you can upload your own pictures here as well, okay. I already upload views of the pictures here, okay. You can upload your own picture as well, okay. You just select it and it will show on, you know, the working space like this. But of course, sometimes you want to crop it, okay. If you want to crop the image, just double click it and just drag it, okay. Just trim it like this, okay. It will be smaller. But if you just want to resize it, make sure you don't double click it, just click it only once, okay, and just, you know, resize it like this, okay. But sometimes you might want to put your picture in a circle or in a frame, okay. Then the next thing that you have to do is go to elements here. It's here. Select elements and find frame, okay. It should be around here. Where's frame? Frame is here, okay. In this case, I'm going to select you know, just circle, but of course, if you want to see it all, click see all, right. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, okay. You can drag and drop or just select it once, okay. We adjust it, and then next, just go to the image, okay, or upload image that you already, you know, upload, okay. Drag it into the circle like this. Now you have the pictures here. Not bad, is it? And if you want a gradient color, okay, it's hiding in elements, okay, it's not in frame. You can just, you know, find the gradients color down here, okay. This vector graphics, which of course there's thousands of things, or you can just type in gradient, yeah. So there's many options of the gradients background that you can use here, depending on your preference, okay. You can also use just partial vector graphic here to make your work more exciting. And if you want to like play with the effects a little bit with your text, then you can go to effects here, up here, click it, and okay, there will be an option, okay, on the left side that you can play around, whether you want it to be a little bit rich, okay. Of course, you can make it, you know, change the offsets, directions a little bit, you know, there's thousands of things you can do with it, functions, which is very fun. Yep, okay, next is how to animate, you know, your slide. This is the time, okay, that you could, you know, show your that you will animate your slide. Okay, if you change it to 3, it's going to be shorter. If it's 5, then it's going to be longer, of course. Right, and then hit animate. And in this option, okay, you have many options to choose. Okay, if you want it to be like, you know, fun something, okay, you can play around with the, you know, the animations here. Yeah, just select the one that you like. Okay, if you want something basic, okay, just select simple. Another thing is, of course, if you like, you know, select the whole if you don't actually select anything, okay, and hit simple, okay, if you just animate everything. But if you want to you know, just animate particular graphic works, then you have to select it and select something here, right? So next, of course, okay, you can just change the text here, right? Should I put something in? All right, next is this. Okay, as you can see here, this is DM Sans, right? And the color might be, you know, it's very simple font. Actually, it's pretty cool. But if you want to use like a style, okay, that already been provided by Canva, you can just look into the left side here, the style. Okay, what is the style? Basically, it's like you know, it's built has like palette, okay, for the colors and fonts that, you know, that you might like. Okay, you might play around with it, and you change the style of your work completely like this. If you want it to be simple, okay, you can change the theme as you like. But if you don't like it, okay, just return it to normal. Okay, if you want to undo it, just hit Command Z, okay, for Macs, and Control Z for PC. Right, next. All right, okay, you can readjust everything, you know, by just move it around. Okay, not a problem. Or even delete it if you don't like the plus sign, delete it. Okay, you can also add graphics work here, okay, by just go back to elements and go to graphics. Just find, okay, right now we in gradients, so delete gradients, and just look into graphics here. Just find the one that you like. Maybe this one, I don't know. No, I don't like it. Oh, not so bad. How about this one? Is it camel llama? I don't know. It's cute. That's pretty cute. Okay, put it somewhere. Right. Yeah, we already talked about style, right? And next is about Google Map. Okay, there's also some other incredible resource that you can also put it in here. Okay, like Google Map. Okay, you might have to search your location and drag and drop everything. Okay, you can also, you know, use audios in your canvas, change the background. Okay, put a chart into your work. Okay, as well. Chart it here. Okay, if you put it somewhere, as you can see, you can put some number and the chart will change. Okay, let's say 9. As you can see, it becomes shorter, right? 10. Okay, something like this. If you don't want it, just delete it like this. And next, yes, some of the options here might need connections. Okay, you might have to connect it with the host. Okay, it's not necessary, but it depends on you. All right. Okay, let's change the pictures, photos. Okay, you can search for existing photos. Cyberpunk, I don't know. You can also place a video here as well. Okay, I'm going to put some pictures here. You can also rotate everything. Okay, when you select it, you can see this one, right? You can just move it around and rotate it like this. Depend on you. About the video, wow. Okay, there's video option on the left side here. You can just drag and drop the existing, you know, video here inside, or record your own video or sounds, okay, and put it in the slides, right? Or you can also, you know, import the external files, okay, here as well. Okay, just drag and drop it. Okay, now we have video here, which is very cool. just drag it into the frame here. Let's pretend that we finished with everything, because oh, another option, sorry, I forgot. Right, another option that is pretty cool is this one. Okay, the links. Okay, just a moment. If it's video or picture here, okay, you have an option, okay, to turn the volume, okay, up, or just mute your video. Okay, another one is transparency. Okay, it's the darkness or brightness of the picture or video or graphic element here. Another thing is the links. Okay, if you click the text box and hit the 3 dots here, you can put a link, okay, external link, or to the text or pictures here, like youtube.com for instance, and hit enter. Now the link added. So yes. And the next thing is, if you want to present your work, okay, just hit present, okay, and then present it like a typical PowerPoint here. You can move it around like typical PowerPoint, okay. But if you want to export it or share it, just hit share here, and you can make a setting whether everyone with the link can see it, can access to your work or not. Okay, you can copy the link, send it to your friends, okay, or download it. So that's a few options here. You can download it as PDF, okay, PNG or pictures, okay, MP4 video or GIF as well. So that is not so bad, right? So I pretty cover everything here. Yeah, this is just very basic thing. Oh, another thing, if you use Pro version, then you can resize your work as well. Okay, use customize size here. Right. Okay, I hope you like the video. Okay, please subscribe.